Hello, my name's Mumble. I was with my team of lumberjacks and we ran into a little bit of a problem.
Okay guys, that was the last tree. Now let's just take a little break to eat.
If only the trees could make us a sugary snack for our saddened stomachs.
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
Oh, but there is.
Wait. We were just kidding about that. Isn't there really?
Yes, there is. Okay, follow me and I can show you how we make it in our sugar house.
If someone has never tried maple syrup before, what would you recommend as the best way to experience it?
I tell them to come to our place and watch how it is made. You can try samples of any of it, and you come to open house, we can give you tours and you can watch us boil down. And in my opinion, stuff always tastes better when you see the hard work put into it.
What makes your maple syrup stand out compared to others?
Well, I've never been one to boast that our syrup is better than other people's, but the people that do the job right, we can make really high quality syrup. So I like to think that the main thing we want to be is clean. Cleanliness is so important, so keep everything clean and process your sap as soon as you can. And the smaller producers, we often produce syrup that has more flavor than the large producers with many more trees, and Pennsylvania has good soil, so we can make some great maple syrup right here in our own backyard. Store maple syrup from trees here locally. I got very interested in the process, and we decided that we enjoyed it enough as a family that we would make it a small family business so we could spend time together.
What part of your job brings you the most joy?
Hanging out with friends and family.
All right, well, what do y'all think of pure maple syrup?
We only have one thing to say.
Thank goodness for Mill Road Maple.